Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So here's we have very important moment that has happened finally on Bitcoin. And if you remember, previously 2 days ago we talked about the 64 area. So because it will be crucial for the short-term perspective, and we said that here's some vital points, and depending on what will happen around it, we will make suggestion on the further price action. Here on daily chart, I tried to combine both weekly and daily time frames, and just to show you the potential perspective what we could get. So on the daily chart, as you know, market wasn't able to hold above the 618 support, and it stands on inside on the market, inside on intraday session and intraday charts, and showing it dropping. So it means that ABCD retracement that we talked about probably has failed, and currently we could suggest deeper action taken out of these lows. But this depth of this downward action could be different, at least in the different time frames. So initially, right now, we could suggest reaching somewhere 63.80 area, because take a look. It's interesting combination of the ABC top initial pattern with the XOP target 1618 extension stands 43.80, slightly below the market, and potential butterfly that could finalize this action. So the first scenario suggests that market will hit the XOP by the butterfly, and then it could show the pullback. At least the pullback, maybe some reversal or something like that, or some upward action could happen. Also, if you'll take a look at our hash ribbons indicator, so if you remember, we are taking some experiment with this indicator, and we are still keep watching for a signal to buy. And you can see here is the hash rate. Now it's showing upward action. Here it's very volatile, so that's why it's using the averaging. So this 2 average shows that no crossing of the line has happened. So its mining capitulation is still lasting, and we do not see the point where this capitulation will stop. So market, this indicator should generate the signal, and I'm not exclude the chance that when the market will hit this target and some upward retracement will start, this indicator could show the signal. So which suggests a possible upward action here. That's the first scenario. But depending on the way how its response will be, later we could make the judgment on the further action. So if we will not see something really special, something of that sort will happen, we will continue to keep an eye on this possible large weekly AB equals CD pattern with potential target around 38.40 UN area. So that's the target that really could be achieved if nothing really will happen. Because what I do not like here, guys, is the acceleration of the downside action. So you can see every time the market shows the acceleration, starts slowing, then shows very fast acceleration. Starts slowing with the hitting on some minor retracement, but then accelerates lower, taking out of these lows. Here is again, let's take a look at the follow time frame chart. We start slow, but right to the downward action. Here's, guys, by the way, it was the level that we have talked about, 68, approximately 70. So we said that probably here could be the point where upward action theoretically could start. That was the vital area. We said if market will break it, be prepared for downward action. That has happened. So here, as you can see, just minor pullback has happened here, failing our 3 drive buy pattern with this first acceleration to the 3rd drive, which suggests that pattern is not reliable. And indeed, after minor pullback, collapse has happened again. So we can see clear signs of the acceleration here right back down. On this chart, we have the XOP target around 65 even. So this ABC top, market ignored the OP right below the market here. So remember that was our support. Now it's coming to the XOP. That's really very small hope on this target. First of all, because it stands below the lows. Second, if market is ignored the OP with the 618 support, just breaking down without any respect, what the chance that it will hold above the XOP? I suggest it should be hardly it will be some really strong supports will be provided by the XOP. I think the market really could show the acceleration below these lows. So that's why our primary scenario right now is watching for completion of the butterfly and reaching of the 63.80, maybe slightly lower level, reaching of the XOP. Then we will see what will happen. If market will start dropping further without any respect, it means definitely that we're going to the 40 even. If some respect to the butterfly will happen, well, this will be at least some pullback, some retracement. So that's the scenario that stands in focus right now on the Bitcoin market.